Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD once again for our February 24th daily stock market insights. So it's already 12:18 in the morning. It's February 25th technically, but I am reviewing for our February 24th market performance. Okay. Um, so far, if this is the first time you're watching my video, I am Miss JD. I do review stocks in the Philippine market, sometimes in the US market, and I also share some insights on how my portfolio is performing. So, if this is the type of video that you like to watch every single day, then this is the right channel for you. Okay, let's get started and talk about first the index. So the index, as you can see, we are still right within the area that we have forecasted or I have forecasted yesterday. We're still on a bearish season. Okay. Uh, in the Philippine market, we had 652 million on foreign buying overall for this day, as you can see here. So we're still going to stick to that area of possible support, and I feel that we could touch this and hopefully bounce within the day for our stocks in the index. So this means that a lot of our blue chip companies are also showing us a heavy decline. Who knows? Tomorrow, hopefully, we can have some progress in that area. Well, as you can see here, so I'm not plotting any resistance as of yet because we got to deal with the possible support first before we talk about resistance. And our the next thing we need to worry is hopefully the 6,600 level is really going to hold. Otherwise, it's going to be very massive. Next possible drop I see would be this previous resistance over here, which is around the 6,495 level. And it just looks small, but the impact of that to the individual stocks we're holding could be significant. Okay. Now, as you can see, a lot of our stocks are actually red today. See that? With only just a handful of stocks that recovered towards the latter part of the day. In fact, the most trending ones in today's market performance managed to somehow recover partially before the market ended. But we'll go through each one in detail. Meanwhile, I just want to also share some updates on how my portfolio is performing. Look at that. All the stocks are in red, and my portfolio gain from a 27%, it went down to, I think I'm now at 18% green. But what I did here is that the main action that happened today is number one for ACEN. I had to partially part ways with ACEN here because, as you can see, we already crossed the MA20 line, and if I'm not mistaken, I exited around the 719 level, and now see that when I exited, it was really at the height of the volatility. So I was thinking it might go all the way down, and I had to take action right away. So temporarily, I'm saying goodbye to ACEN, but I will not remove this because I plan to get in once again at any time we have an opportunity right here. So who knows? Maybe around because I think my average here, I see the beauty of me documenting my portfolio. I can go back to my previous videos. I know my average here is around 6.3 or 6.5. So if we have an opportunity again, I can just re-enter. So that's one. I locked in some gains. I think my gain here went down to 12%. I was already around this level, around the 20 plus percent gain, and I locked in some gains around this area, but not that much. I think I only exited 8% of my portfolio size, but here I went all the way out. APL as well here, so good thing I was able to lock in some gains at 0.28. this period over here, but I wanted to place an order today around 0.24, but it wasn't hit. It has already hit the 0.23 level, but I was not able to catch it. So I placed an order at 0.24, but it did not capture. So hopefully tomorrow it can go back to the 0.23 level and I can add more. Um, Double Dragon ATN, I didn't take any action. This is a good story for me. So what I did here is I added some shares, one around the 16.14 level and 15.5. Those are the two areas where I entered. I wasn't able to really catch this level. So at least I was able to add more volume. And now my average is already at the 80 peso level. But that's fine. At least I have more shares. Mary Mart, I was also able to add more here around the 660 level. And as you can see, it even reached 634 area, but I wasn't able to add in that level. But I'm already good. The size of Mary Mart is already okay for me. Okay. So those are the key changes in my portfolio today. Now let's go to our stocks.